Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana AI to draft status updates automatically. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Asana workspace and log into your account. Navigate to the project for which you want to configure the AI settings. On the project page, locate the project settings icon in the top right corner. Click on the project settings icon to open the settings. Look for the option labeled AI settings or automations. Select the AI settings option to access the configuration options. Find the section related to drafting status updates automatically. Toggle the switch to enable automatic status updates. Choose the frequency at which you want the status updates to be generated. You can select options such as daily, weekly, or custom intervals. Next, decide on the criteria that will prompt the AI to draft updates. These criteria may include task completion or project milestones. Once you've set your frequency and criteria, click Save Changes. Now, navigate to the template section to customize the status update format. Craft a brief template that outlines the key information you want included in each update. This may include task progress, blockers, and upcoming deadlines. Save your template once you are satisfied with the content. Return to the AI settings to specify the template for the status updates. Select your newly created template from the drop-down menu. Finally, test the automation by manually triggering a status update. Check that the generated status update aligns with your expectations. If everything looks good, you're now ready to let Asana AI draft your updates automatically. Monitor the updates over the next few weeks to ensure they meet your needs. Feel free to revisit the settings anytime to make adjustments as necessary. Congratulations, you've successfully configured Asana AI to draft status updates automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.